Have you ever spent hours searching for misplaced keys? Have you ever had a key break off in the lock or even in the ignition itself? Have you ever locked your car door with your keys inside your vehicle and you were on the outside? For some of us, it's more than just a commonplace mistake. It's a rite of passage. All humors aside, when these incidences happen on the road, Auto Locksmith New Jersey and Car Locksmith New Jersey know how they can add a considerable amount of stress and discomfort to our lives. After all, we think most people would agree that when traveling on the road, they prefer to arrive at their final destination on time and with no damage to their vehicle. We understand that such emergencies need to be responded to swiftly and with the utmost professionalism and respect towards your property. That is why, if you have an automotive emergency in Jersey City and need assistance, you can trust us to dispatch a technician over to your exact location in 15 to 20 minutes, 24 hours a day, fully equipped and knowledgeable in helping you in any kind of emergency situation.